Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do the single crochet. So I already have my magic circle here, or a magic ring, you can call it both names. And to do the single crochet, you can see that we have like this V shape here. Each one of those V shapes are single crochets. And you can see that my crochet hook enters perfectly below it. So this is the place where we are going to crochet, always inserting the hook here below this V. There's also a video here on my channel in which I teach you how to do the magic ring, and I'll leave the link here in the description if you haven't seen it. So to do the single crochet, I enter the hook here below this V, yarn over. I always place my hook like this, okay, with this part of the crochet hook upside down, never like this. So I yarn over and I bring this yarn to the front part of my magic ring. You see that I have two loops here on the hook, so I will yarn over again with the hook pointing down like this, and I pull the yarn through both loops, and this is one single crochet. I'll do it once again. So I enter the stitch, yarn over, bring this yarn to the front part of the piece. I have two loops here, yarn over and pass this yarn through both loops, and this is a single crochet. I don't know if you could see it from this video, but I did two stitches inside the same single crochet. This was not a mistake. This is what we call an increase. So every time you see someone saying it or written in a crochet pattern, increase simply means that you're doing the same stitch twice in the same single crochet. So I'll do that increase once again. So enter the stitch, yarn over, pass the yarn to the front part of the crochet piece, yarn over again, and pass the yarn through both loops. This is one single crochet, but I want an increase. So in this same hole here, I will not do this in a new stitch in the next one. No, if I want an increase, I have to do it here in the same hole where there is this stitch coming out of it. So I'll do the same thing, yarn over, pass the yarn through both loops, and I have an increase. So can you see it? We have here two stitches coming out of the same hole. I know in the beginning it might seem so difficult to see the difference between these stitches, or I don't know, where is the stitch coming out of, but you get used to it, believe me. So single crochet, and I'll do the single crochet again to turn it into an increase.